How to check your Social Security statement. If you are over the age of 55, there is one quiet document that plays a very important role in your financial future. It doesn't arrive with urgency. It doesn't demand attention. And because of that, many people overlook it. But this document helps determine how much monthly income you may receive for the rest of your life. It's called your Social Security statement. Some people never look at it. Others look once, years ago, and assume everything is fine. Today, we're not rushing. We're not reacting. We're simply taking time to understand. Calmly. Clearly. One step at a time. In this video, we're going to talk about how to check your Social Security statement. We'll explain what it is, where it comes from, and why it matters more after 55. This is not about fear, and it's not about urgency. It's about understanding. As we get older, financial clarity becomes more important, not because something bad will happen, but because peace of mind matters. When you understand your numbers, you sleep better. You worry less. This video is designed for a slower pace. You can listen while relaxing. You can pause if needed. You can return later. Nothing here is complicated, and nothing here is rushed. Let's begin with the basics. Your Social Security statement is a summary of your lifetime earnings as reported to Social Security. It shows how much money you earned each year, and based on that history, it estimates future benefits. These estimates include retirement benefits, disability benefits, and survivor benefits for your family. It's important to remember something. Social Security does not track your work hours. It tracks reported income. If income was reported incorrectly, or not reported at all, it may affect your future benefit. That's why reviewing this statement is not just paperwork. It's awareness. Many people make the same mistakes, and most of them are unintentional. The first mistake is assuming the statement is always correct. Most of the time, it is, but mistakes do happen. The second mistake is not reviewing yearly earnings. A single missing year can slightly lower your estimate. The third mistake is misunderstanding the numbers. The amount shown is not guaranteed income. It's an estimate based on assumptions. The fourth mistake is thinking Social Security replaces full income. For most people, it replaces only part. Understanding that early helps avoid disappointment later. Let's talk about real-life situations. Imagine someone who worked for several employers over decades. One employer made a reporting error. That income never appeared. Years later, the statement shows a lower estimate. Another example. Someone took time off to care for a loved one. Those years matter, and they affect averages. These are not mistakes. They're life. The statement simply reflects history. And understanding that history helps you plan realistically. Now, let's slow down and walk through the steps. First, create or log into your Social Security account. This allows you to view your statement securely. Second, review your earnings year by year. You don't need to memorize numbers. Just look for anything unusual. Third, review benefit estimates at different retirement ages. Notice how waiting changes the amount. Fourth, save a copy for your records. Fifth, if something feels unclear, reach out for clarification. There is no penalty for asking questions. Sometimes situations feel complicated. Self-employment, cash work, multiple careers. This is more common than you think. The key is not panic. The key is patience. Collect what you can, and ask for help when needed. Clarity brings calm. I want to mention something helpful. I've created a free professional checklist specifically for Americans over 55. It's simple, clear, and easy to follow. You can download it using the link in the description. No cost, No obligation. How often should you check your statement? Once a year is enough. Can estimates change? Yes. Is it safe to check online? Yes, with proper security. Can errors be corrected? Often, yes. Let's take a moment. Your Social Security statement is simply information. Information gives you control. This video is for educational purposes only. Always check with a professional if you need personal advice. Thank you for being here. Take care.